MetroVac ED-500-ESD Anti-Satatic Electric Duster 500, 1 pack. 0.75 peak HP motor and an all-steel body hat is built to last throughout years of tough professional use. 3-conductor grounded power supply cord, plus, an anti-static dusting system and grounding. Anti-static wrist strap that are carefully designed to minimize cling and maximize equipment efficiency. Accessories: ESD safe crevice tool, dust brush, 4PC micro cleaning tool kit, and TechniStat grounded wrist strap. DataVac ED-500 Anti-Static, ESD safe electric duster, 500 watt blower W/grounded 3-conductor cord. Black body, black anti-static, ESD safe attachments, includes, crevice tool, dust brush, 4-piece micro tool kit and grounded wrist strap.